Autofill is a feature of Microsoft Excel which quickly completes a series of data. The data may be numeric text, like if I am writing here Sunday, SUN, in abbreviation form. At the corner, have a look at the cursor. It changes to plus. This plus is fill handle. This plus is fill handle. When we drag it, the cells automatically getting filled with the series. Again, have a look. If I am dragging after Sunday, it's going to Monday, Tuesday, and so on. In the similar way, if I want to write here January, now I am writing it full. January. Right? Now, it is February, March, April complete. Now, if I write Jan, then Feb, March, April means abbreviation form. So the Excel has a beautiful feature to fill the series according to our requirement. So this was the text form. Now I am going for numeric. For example, I have written here 1. Now while dragging it, it is getting copied only. 1, 1, 1. Have a look. Duplicate of 1. Now if I write 2, 4. And after selecting 2 and 4, and as I drag it, have a look. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So it fills the series according to that we have given the numbers. Now if I write here 1, 3, then have a look what happened. 1, 3 got selected, plus 5, 7, 9, 11.
Odd numbers.
Yes, beta, yes. According to the series that we provide to our Excel sheet, it fills that accordingly. Is it clear, everyone? Yes, Mehak?
Ma'am, if we need in sequence like 1, 2, 3, 4,
yes,
5
it
like
will
this,
be also
then
done. Have a look. I'm going for that. I'm writing here 1. Then in next cell, I'm writing 2. Then 1, 2. Sorry, have a look again. 1, 2. Plus sign up here. Have a look. Continue numbering. Is it okay, everyone? Is it clear? Mehak, Gracie, done. Okay, I got your thumbs up, Gracie. Very good. Gracie, Prikshit, Sonika, Shivdev, Karthik,
yes.
Deepak,
Ma'am,
Venika, any doubt? Plus shape cursor is known as fill handle. The cursor shape, have a look.
Okay,
again I am going for that. The cursor that changes into 9 suppose, and again 9, and dekho. This one plus 1 is fill handle. Fill handle is a small black square in the lower right corner of the selected cells. This is known as fill handle. So, Kanwar was asking about the color of the cells. Have a look, I am going for that. Like, if I have selected this cell and I want to change the color of the cell, then this fill color, I will click on the arrow and the color will be filled. And even you can change, give it the pattern color, like format cells, fill, pattern style. You can even give the pattern colors here. Like, have a look, I am going for that. And Okay, have a look. Even you can apply the pattern to the cell. Got it? Have a look again. Right click,
Ma'am, yes.
format cells, pattern style, you can choose any pattern, color, any color. Okay, have a look. Is it clear? Everyone, these two topics clear?
Ma'am, yes.
Autofill
Ma'am,
clear?
yes.
Color and pattern, beta, just it is to give the color to the cells. Mehak, if you want to give the color to the cell, this is simple.
Ma'am, know how to give.
Acha, how to give?
this
Steps.
thing.
Okay. Steps. Have a look again, Mehak. I have selected the cells. Either we can directly go for this color, fill color, and choose any color and it will be applied, or the other method is right click of the mouse.
Format cells.
Very good, Kamal. Format cells, and from here is pattern style, fill. Pattern style, click on
Fill.
any of the
Ma'am,
style.
Fill.
Click, yes beta, fill option. Click on the pattern color and okay, have a look. Right click, format cells, fill option, choose pattern style and pattern color, and then click
Ma'am,
on the okay. Yeah, Mehak?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
why pattern is fill in only one cell?
Because I have selected that particular cell. It is applied in only that cell I have selected. Like here I have selected only one cell. Here I have selected adjacents of 9 to 10 cells. Here I have selected the cells 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and here around 13, 14 cells. So pattern is applied on that cells which are selected. Okay? Okay everyone?